Advanced coloring settings of Blockman. We have 5 modes: A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Each mode has 2 options, B1 and B2, B1 and B2, and so on. B1 means borders and B2 means backgrounds. So let's start with A1, B1, which is from depth 0 to inward for all borders. This is the most basic one, so let's enable it. Exclamation mark means it's disabled. Let's delete it, enable it. So we have red, green and blue. 0 means there will be nothing after the sequence. If we type 1, it will be the sequence will continue with the last item. The last item is blue, so it will continue as blue. If we type 2, it will loop as forward. Red, green, blue, and so on. If we type 3, it will loop as pair of forward and backward. So red, green, blue, then back. Green, red, and again green, blue, green, red, green, blue, and so on. This one is also interesting. A3, which is from depth 0 to inward for focus tree blocks. So let's enable it. So as you can see, it starts from ground block and goes to the focus block, and it highlights only the focus tree blocks, focus tree borders, not this one. If we click here, no, this one is not highlighted, but this tree is highlighted. Here is the another tree. It's not highlighted because it's outside of the focus tree. This one also, this one, and so on.